Bitrue Wallet app. The pros, the cons. When it comes to crypto wallets, few combine exchange functionality and DeFi access as tightly as the Bitrue Wallet app. But is it really a good choice for storing and managing your digital assets? Let's break down the pros and cons so you can decide for yourself. First, the pros. Bitrue Wallet is designed to work hand in hand with the Bitrue exchange, known for its strong support of XRP and other altcoins. The wallet gives you the flexibility to manage your holdings on the go while offering staking, yield farming and swapping features directly inside the app. What stands out most is its simplicity. The interface is beginner-friendly, offering a clear dashboard for your portfolio, price tracking and trading history. It's a great all-in-one solution for those who prefer to keep everything in one place. Bitrue also places strong emphasis on passive income. Through its Power Piggy and staking programs, users can earn attractive yields on idle assets, sometimes higher than what you'd find on other platforms. Security-wise, the app uses advanced encryption and multi-layer protection. You can activate FA, biometric login, and withdrawal passwords to keep your funds secure. However, here come the cons. Because Bitrue Wallet is tightly linked to a centralized exchange, it's not fully non-custodial. That means Bitrue technically holds your assets until withdrawn to a private wallet. For users who value full control, that's a major downside. Another limitation is network variety. While Bitrue supports popular coins like Bitcoin, XRP and Ethereum, it doesn't offer the same level of multi-chain flexibility as wallets like Just Wallet or MetaMask. In conclusion, the Bitrue Wallet app is a convenient and reliable option for traders who already use the Bitrue exchange or want an integrated trading and earning experience. If you're after simplicity, ease of use, and steady yields, this wallet does the job well. But if total decentralization and control are your priorities, you might want to pair it with a non-custodial alternative.